Hey everyone, it's Raim from Killer Inc. and today I'm going to be taking a look at the range of HAWK cartridges from Cheyenne. Made in Germany, Cheyenne HAWK cartridges are some of the most recognisable in the industry, offering artists a quickly interchangeable system that makes their life easier. So let's take a look at the range. Cheyenne offer two types of cartridges, the original safety cartridges and the newer craft cartridges. To demonstrate how these cartridges run, we've got the Cheyenne HAWK pen here, along with the Cheyenne PU power supply and HAWK foot switch. The Cheyenne HAWK safety cartridges are completely sterile and contain a membrane that prevents any ink or bodily fluids coming into contact with your machine. These needle cartridges provide clean and precise punctures that are easy on the skin and are great for a range of styles. They are also compatible with both the fixed and flex grips from Cheyenne, as well as other cartridge grips from different brands such as the RPG Click Ergo Grip from FK Irons. We offer Cheyenne HAWK safety cartridges in 6 configurations: liner, power liner, shader, magnum, soft edge magnum and flat. With countless artists across the globe using Cheyenne HAWK cartridges, you know that they are as high quality as any other cartridges on the market today. After the success of the safety cartridges, Cheyenne then introduced HAWK Craft cartridges to the world. Cheyenne HAWK Craft cartridges have all the qualities you've come to expect from the Bavarian brand, but for a lower cost. What sets the craft cartridges apart is the simplified design. The plastic tips are made from a single mould of medical grade plastic. The ergonomic design of the cartridges also allows artists to work more closely to the skin. As with the standard safety cartridges, the craft versions contain needles of the highest quality and an internal membrane to protect your machine and grip from fluids. We offer Cheyenne HAWK craft cartridges in 4 configurations: liner, shader, magnum and soft edge magnum. If you're using a rotary machine and are in the market for cartridges, make sure to check out Cheyenne's range. You can find all Cheyenne HAWK cartridges from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So what do you think of Cheyenne's range of HAWK cartridges? Have you had the chance to try the craft cartridges yet? As always, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.